What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Shane and welcome to a quick new episode on 5-star cars. Guys, just a quick video to update you. We finally done it. We've gotten monetized. Thank you very much to everybody that's subscribed and watched the videos. Don't worry, I'm not going to try and with my videos, I still need to figure out how you put on the ads and stuff, so I'm not going to plan on absolutely bombarding my videos with ads. I'm not that kind of person. I know what it's like, but the revenue obviously coming from this channel is going to be going into us getting a project car for the channel. And the project car I want to get, which makes sense for me, is getting a Toyota MR2, hopefully a turbo, but if we have to get an A, it just depends how well the channel does, guys. If you're new to this channel, just even clicked on this video, I do basically I just give my thoughts and opinions on other cars, the biggest car YouTubers and some of the smaller ones as well. And we do podcasts with other car YouTubers as well. We do vlogs. Basically it's a mixture of everything, but most of my videos contain me giving my thoughts on what's going on in the supercar community, and obviously chatting back to you guys in the comments about what's going on as well. You commenting below is great because I like hearing your thoughts as well on it. So I do try and post a video every day. It is, I try, but I have a full-time job. It's hard at 1 p.m. UK Irish time. It's very difficult when you have a job and go to the gym and stuff to basically post every day. And obviously I just don't want to throw anything out there. I post videos about the content that I've watched that day, so it's day by day. So it's like basically for tomorrow's video, guys, I will be back to normal. I went off for a few days. I had to go to a party in another county in Ireland, and I was there for the whole weekend tenting and drinking. And as you can imagine, drinking a whole weekend and getting absolutely sozzled, you're not going to be doing any videos. So I said I'd make this quick one today, just to let you know what's been going on. As I say, guys, the plan is a Toyota MR2, like a 1990 or 1991. I would love to get one of them and put a belt-side kit in it, lower it, basically get more power out of it. And that should be the stepping stone going forward, because obviously if we make enough money every month to go up levels and getting cars, that's what it is. And guys, if you want that kind of stuff, you need to subscribe and watch the videos. And I know, look, this content isn't for everybody about me chatting about other car YouTubers, but I have to start somewhere. There is no supercars here where I live. I am trying to get up to Belfast. The Ferrari in Belfast, they have offered me to go up there and do a few, to have a chat with them and to record some cars up there. So that is a long journey up there. I've never been up to Belfast, and that would be having to plan ahead with them, see what I can get for you. There's a lot of stuff in the pipe works, but the main goal obviously is to use this money to save. I've made a special bank account just for this channel as well. I will show you the first paycheck of the channel when we do get it. Probably won't be for around 2 months. But guys, it's we gotta start somewhere. Slow progress. It will get there. I will have a video out tomorrow at 1 o'clock as usual. We've loads to cover. Over the last few days, like DD, we need to cover them. We need to cover royalty exotics, probably Stradman Bs for build. A lot of big hitters are going to be covered tomorrow and going through the rest of the week. I'm going to have plenty of videos to be made, and obviously Stradman's hypercar search. There's just so much to go on about, and again, guys, by you just chatting in the comments below makes it a lot of fun, and you just liking the videos. So that's basically what I wanted to make today, just let you know we've been monetized. Thanks very much for everybody that's helped out and watched, and hopefully we can push on from here and give you the content that you want. So as again, guys, I'll show you the first paycheck of this channel when we get it, and I'll try and make sure that the ads aren't killing the videos, that you get annoyed with them, but every bit helps, and you watching the videos and going through the ads, it just helps me a lot, and I will hope I do you justice from what I can do with the channel and see where we go. So hopefully you've enjoyed this video. Again, guys, it was just a bit of a quick one, not my usual one, and we would definitely have a video tomorrow at 1 o'clock covering your favorites, all the big hitters, and it is what it is. So thanks for watching this video if you watched the end, and I hope the update and you're happy, and let me know in the comments below, guys, where you want to see this channel go. Or guys, if you have any small car YouTuber recommendations, please do tell me in the comments below. I would love to hear recommendations, because I want to get onto these small car YouTubers, and I want to bring them on a podcast. I would love to do a podcast every Sunday with other car YouTubers and chat to them. So if you have any recommendations of other car channels below, or your car channel yourself, you know, just say it below in the comments, and I'll chat you on Instagram, whatever, and we'll see if we can sort something out. So yeah, guys, do let me know. This is what I want to do. I will do like a Joe Rogan podcast as well. It's just a mixture of everything, and that's basically the plans for the channel going forward. So hopefully you like it, and hopefully you'll enjoy it and subscribe. And anybody is subscribed, thanks very much, and you keep watching the videos and keep chatting to me below in the comments. So that's everything for today, guys. Thanks very much. I will see you tomorrow in the next episode at 1 o'clock. Stay tuned. Put that bell notification on. And you know, we're gonna start hitting it hard now because we're monetized, and let's see what we can do with the channel. So again, thank you. Stay safe wherever you are in the world. Peace out and bye.